Meaning of egotistic.
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 Egotistic. The term egotistic, also known as egotistical, refers to a person who is excessively self-centered and believes that they are superior to others. Such individuals typically prioritize their own interests and needs above those of others, and often lack empathy and consideration for others. Egotistic behavior can lead to negative consequences in personal and professional relationships, as well as hinder personal growth and development. It is important to recognize and address egotistic tendencies in oneself in order to avoid such negative outcomes and cultivate healthier relationships and self-perception.